From the vast, silent canvas of space, a vessel descends, a fiery beacon piercing the Earth's atmosphere. Aboard, a crew concludes an epic 8-month odyssey, their mission a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. After orbiting our planet thousands of times, traveling millions of miles, they are now poised for the ultimate return. NASA astronaut Chris Williams and his Roscosmos crewmates touched down, a parachute-assisted landing echoing across the Kazakh steppes. Their journey, a blend of scientific breakthroughs and arduous spacewalks, has pushed the boundaries of human knowledge. From advancing cancer treatments to preparing for future voyages to the Moon and Mars, their work on the International Space Station continues to benefit all humanity. Meanwhile, far from Earth's embrace, a robotic envoy offers a new perspective of our home. NASA's Escapade spacecraft, destined for Mars, recently captured a stunning family portrait of Earth and its moon. From hundreds of thousands of miles away, our vibrant blue marble and its silent lunar companion are seen as crescents, bathed in the gentle glow of a distant sun. These aren't mere snapshots. They are vital calibration checks for instruments that will soon unravel the mysteries of the Red Planet. In 2026, Escapade will slingshot around Earth, accelerating towards Mars to study how solar winds strip away its atmosphere. This mission promises to shed light on Mars' ancient past and its potential for future human exploration. Yet, the universe holds far stranger tales, whispered across billions of light years. Imagine a cosmic kitchen where a supermassive black hole acts as a chef, stirring and cooking the primordial gas around a distant galaxy. This is the Red Potato Galaxy, a puzzling blob from the early universe, where stars refuse to form despite an abundance of cold, dense gas. Astronomers, using the Chandra X-ray spacecraft, discovered this celestial anomaly, finding a black hole jet slamming into the red potato's gas envelope. This violent cosmic interference heats the gas, preventing it from cooling and collapsing to birth new stars. It's a stark reminder that even the most fundamental processes of star formation can be dictated by unseen, powerful forces. This black hole, residing in a galaxy 200,000 light-years away from the red potato, is a cosmic disruptor. Its churning energy starves the red potato of the fresh material needed for stellar nurseries, profoundly altering its evolution. Such discoveries are crucial to understanding the complex, often violent, interactions that sculpt galaxies across the vast tapestry of the cosmos. Yet, as we marvel at these distant wonders, a profound threat looms closer to home, jeopardizing our very ability to witness them. The proliferation of private space companies, launching colossal fleets of satellites, and even orbital mirrors, risks irrevocably altering our night sky. What was once a pristine canvas of stars may soon be obscured by a dazzling, artificial ring of light. Companies like Reflect Orbital, SpaceX, and Blue Origin are proposing tens of thousands of orbiting data centers, internet beaming satellites, and even sun-reflecting mirrors. If all these projects come to fruition, astronomers warn the night sky's brightness could increase by 300%, effectively ending ground-based astronomy as we know it. Our celestial heritage hangs in the balance. The challenge is compounded by outdated international laws and regulatory loopholes. The U.S. Federal Communications Commission can unilaterally approve massive projects with global consequences, while the 1960s Outer Space Treaty offers little recourse for other nations. Liability only covers physical damage, not the optical interference that could blind our view of the universe. This isn't just an astronomer's plight, it's a global crisis. Light pollution confuses wildlife, disrupts ecosystems, and erodes the cultural heritage of indigenous communities who rely on the stars. Furthermore, the sheer volume of rocket launches and re-entering satellites threatens to damage our ozone layer and alter Earth's atmospheric composition, impacting all life. The industrialization of space is outpacing our ability to regulate it, creating a critical crossroads for humanity. We stand at the precipice of a future where the awe-inspiring canvas of the cosmos, a source of endless wonder and scientific discovery, could be forever diminished. The time for urgent, global action to protect our night sky is now.